years. I stand here before you as a woman who's not very comfortable speaking to such a big crowd. But in the last 58 days, I've had to get used to it. Myself and the rest of my co-workers have been put in a situation that we never asked for or wanted. We were told on the 16th of September that our jobs were gone and the factory would close in December. In those 3 months, we carried on and cooperated with the company in many ways. We questioned a lot of things and were told a lot of untruths. We were asked for bank details and told our redundancy of 2.9 was nearly there. Again, untrue. On the 16th of December, we were told to leave the factory with nothing. With no more than 847 years of service combined, it took us less than 5 minutes to decide we weren't leaving. It's not a very nice place where we are, a reluctant home for the moment. We're separated from our families and loved ones for long periods of time that we can't ever get back. We're very tired and sometimes emotional, but we make the most of our time having many conversations and a laugh. As people who have worked together for a long time, we are very strong. We have been uplifted by all the support, not only from our families, which was never in doubt, but by all the people that we don't know and all of you here today. You shouldn't underestimate what that has done for us as a group. We are 32 workers. We're very ordinary and down to earth. All we want is to be treated with the respect that we have shown to others. We want to go home to our families and move on with the rest of our lives. Lives for now that are without a job to go to. We just want what we are entitled to, and we'll keep going for what is rightfully ours. We've been made a lot of promises in the past few weeks, and now it is time for those people to honour their promises. Thank you all for coming.